Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my Boxycharm demo, unboxing, review, tutorial, all that good stuff. I have missed doing these videos so much. If you have been here on my channel for a while, then you know I always do these videos. They are literally some of my favorite videos to do. Probably say this every time I film because I love filming, but I really mean it. I think Boxycharm is one of the best makeup subscriptions out there. You get 5 full-size products every single month, no samples, and it's all from brands that we know, very well-known brands, and there's always like a mix of makeup, skincare, even like tools like brushes and whatnot. So it's a really amazing service if you're trying to build up your makeup collection, or if you just want to be surprised and like treat yourself every month. Treat yourself. But it's a really nice service, and it's only $21 a month. The boxes are usually way more than $100. They're worth way more than $100 every month. So I highly recommend. I have an affiliate link with them, but they are not paying me to do these videos. I just honestly love doing these videos because it's like a challenge. Like, you have 5 to 6 products and you have to put them all together in one look, and I just love it. However, this month I have a lot to say about things in the box this month, so I'm not gonna ramble anymore. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, and now if you want to see this January Boxycharm unboxing, then just keep watching. So first we have the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. They included 2 of them in the box, and they each cost $24. This is hands down the best sheet mask I've ever tried so far, and I have been trying a lot. I've made a point. I went through my collection. I made a point to try more sheet masks because at first I thought they all like broke me out. But if they really didn't, I was just trying like the wrong ones. So I have a box back here. I don't know if you can see it. It's back there. I have a box back here that I have all my sheet masks, and I really make a point to try, you know, at least twice a week. I'll try 2 different masks, or 3 times a week, or whenever I can. Because it's not high maintenance, you know, like you can put it on your face and just go on and do something else. So it's easy. All you have to do is wash your face before. So it's very doable, you know, and you can just peel it off and take it off and throw it out and you're done. So I have been making a point to try more and more sheet masks. In this one right here, I kind of wanted to hate it because now I love it so much I want to go and buy it. This mask is so luxurious. It's very thick. You know, sometimes sheet masks are like slippery and they don't really stay on your face, and they're just like super thin. This one, it's not like this. It's really thick, and there is so much serum in there. I spread it all down my neck, all over my arms, my hands, and there was still more. For this alone, I feel like the box was worth it this month, 100%. Next, we have Briogeo Leave-In Conditioning Spray, and this retails for $12. So I know I mentioned that there's no samples in Boxycharm, but this is the only time they do make an exception. It's when the product itself doesn't fit in the box, because they don't make bigger boxes. You know, at Boxycharm, like, it's don't always like the same size box. I hope that makes sense. So if the product itself doesn't fit in that box, the full size, then they will give you a deluxe sample. So I've had this before. I didn't try this specific one, but I've had this product before, and I really liked it. It's a very, like it says, like a very conditioning, you know, hydrating sort of spray. However, I wouldn't recommend applying on your roots, because I did, and maybe I applied too much, but it made my hair oily like quicker than it normally would get. You know what I mean? So I love this for my ends, especially, you know, I have some highlights. My ends get a little dry. So this is really nice, and it's not heavy. It doesn't really make your hair, it doesn't like harden up your hair, or the texture is nice. It just makes your hair fluffy and shiny and just like hydrated. So I really like this as well. Next, we have the Starlux Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil, and this retails for $19. Okay. I don't know how to say this in a nice way, so I'm just going to say it in my way. I don't know how much excitement you will get out of me when you sent me a black eye pencil. It's a black eye pencil. And then I look at the price and I'm like, $19? $19? Really? So of course I use this on my eyes right now, and I will insert a demo right here for you guys. It's nice, it's pigmented, but I can see this creasing up with me and transferring on my lid already. So is it worth $19? No. So there is not much I can tell you. It's nice for what it is. Next, we have the Tarte Cosmetics Limited Edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette Volume 3. And this retails for $36. How can I say this in a nice way? This palette is boring. It's more exciting on the outside than it is on the inside. I can't even say this would be like a nice everyday palette because there's only one semi-matte shade in here. One. So unless you can do a whole entire eye look with only shimmer shadows, then I don't know. You know, it's nice. The shimmers are really pretty. They're very pigmented, but I don't know, it's just not like my first choice. And I will insert a demo here so you can see the semi-matte shadow that I'm talking about barely showed up on my eyelid. Barely. It doesn't really excite me. The palette doesn't really excite me. Maybe you have different opinions. I would love to hear what you think. If you've tried this palette already, I would love to hear what you think of it. So please leave me a comment and let me know. To me, it's just like, meh, you know. Like Marie Kondo says, it doesn't spark joy. So I feel like I will try to gift this to someone else and, you know, pass it along, because to me, I know I'm not going to reach for it and use it again. Lastly, we have the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Havana Nights, and this retails for $20. I'm usually a fan of Ofra liquid lipsticks. I have a few of them that I've gotten in like previous Boxycharms before, and I actually really like them. I don't have any complaints. The formula, it's okay. It's not super drying. It's comfortable. It's very pigmented. I love this shade. I'm curious to know if you guys got if anybody else got a different shade. I didn't really check on Boxycharm's page, so if you got a different shade, let me know. It did change the packaging and they changed the applicator a little bit. I preferred the previous applicator. I think it was a little bit more, a little easier to work with. This one is, it's nice and small and precise, so it's not terrible. I just like the other one better. Alright guys, so that's it for this January Boxycharm unboxing. I have a whole entire playlist of Boxycharm unboxings. I always used to do them every single month. I never missed, ever missed a month. And then I had Little Max, and then I kind of took a little break. But I want to come back and do this, you know, these videos every month, because I love doing unboxings, and I love Boxycharm. I have a link, and I will have it down below for you guys in my description box. If you would like to support me, if you would like to support my channel, and you would like to sign up for Boxycharm, you can use my link, and I will make $5 commission for every person that signs up through my link. But please do not feel pressured. I still recommend Boxycharm. I don't think there's any other, you know, beauty subscription box service out there that it's quite as amazing as Boxycharm. You really get so much for your money. So let me know what you got in your box this month. Let me know if you got something different. Sometimes they do have variations. 1 or 2 items are different. Let me know if you got different shades of something. Let me know everything. I always love to hear what other people got, and if they, you know, share the same opinions as me or not. It's always nice to hear other people's opinions, and it kind of gives you like a different perspective. So I am open. I am all ears. sound off in the comments, please, please, please. So don't forget to check out my other Boxycharm unboxings. And as always, if you like this video, if you found it helpful, and if you learned something new, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.